We're going to prepare the main branch to be published, and then we will make a copy of it, and I'll show you how we can do edits and test those out. Now that we have this here, I am going to use KiloCode for this preparation. You can use Cursor. You could use, let me just pull up a few that you could use. You could use Cursor. That's a very popular one. You could use Windsurf. It's another very popular tool. I've used it a lot. There's one from Amazon. Is it called Kiro, I think? This one's pretty good, although it looks like they're in waitlist mode now. Maybe they've maxed out their usage. It's a pretty cool tool. It's new. I find it to be a little buggy, but it has some really nice features that they're working on. You could use Claude if you like the command line. Use Claude code. And that's here. If you want command line work, you can do that. That works like that. What I'm going to use, though, is KiloCode. This is one of my favorites. It is open source, and it works right inside Visual Studio Code or VS Code right here, which you can download. You would download Visual Studio Code, and then you would install KiloCode in there. And that is going to give us this combination right here. And we will go ahead and open a file or a folder. So we're going to open a folder with that new repo that we want to open up here. And it's going to be right there at the top, and we will open it. So now we have those files pulled down from GitHub right here to our computer. And we can see all of those files here. The first thing that I tend to do is right-click and do a new file and make my .env. And this is where we are going to put all of the secrets that we need so that we can run it locally and prepare this to be published on a different host.